Hello again everyone. Well, it's Friday morning. We just had quite a relaxed day yesterday, just hanging around Beadnell Bay and a bit of a cycle round and a bit of a look at some wildlife. Had a bit of a snooze on the beach as well, so a bit of a chilled out day. But today we're leaving Beadnell Bay and we're off to the Caravan and Motorhome Club site at Buxton. Well, we've stopped off at a place called Suger Sands Beach, which was recommended to us by Nikki's sister. The road down is a little bit narrow, as you've just seen, so probably a bit tricky for the larger motorhome, but we were fine in our van. And it's actually a pretty good view, even just from the parking place, especially if you have a resident window cleaner.
That's all scary, it was spoiling my view.
Well, Nikki's happy sitting in the van watching the waves, but I'm going to have a little walk down onto the beach. And it is indeed a lovely beach. Look at that, look. Absolutely marvellous. And the sun's come out as well. Quite a few people walking that way, look. Lovely soft sand. This would be a great beach to come to in the summertime. That's a great beach to come to now, but yeah, could spend a lovely day down here in the sunshine. The old sea is still quite rough. There's some big waves out there. Old heron out there. Been fishing. Well, that was a nice way to end our time in Northumberland. And now it's back into the van for, I believe, a 4-hour ride to the Buxton Caravan and Motorhome Club site in the Peak District.
destination is on the left.
Should we have fish and chips?
I'll have fish and chips and I'll pick a little bit of it.
Well folks, we have arrived. We're all pitched up at the Buxton Caravan and Motorhome Club site. Nikki's putting the kettle on and I think I'm going to have a walk down to the fish and chip van and get myself some fish and chips. Nikki said she didn't want any, she's just going to pick up mine, which probably means she'll eat most of it and I'll be left with next to nothing.
Not true. That is so not true.
Do you reckon? Well, we'll find out, I suppose, won't we? Oh, I haven't missed them then. Got a bit of bacon, mushrooms and black pudding on the go. I'm going to have it with one of these oat cakes they sold in the campsite shop.
And I'm having with my rice cakes. Yay! And a coffee. Woo!
Well, the plan this morning was to meet Marilla for a bit of a walk around about 11 o'clock. But she's just sent a message. She's going to be a little bit delayed. So Nikki and I are going to walk down into Buxton and maybe meet her down there. Well, I reckon it'd be nice to have a walk up and look at these big rocks, but Nikki said they're just big rocks. She's probably right, they are big rocks. They are lovely big rocks though, aren't they? Well, we've climbed up to them and they are indeed wonderful rocks. And look at this beautiful view. And there are the splendid rocks. Look at that, look. You've been taking photographs?
I have.
Show it to us then.
What? Oh.
There was
There?
once a day that I would pray
And
for
you?
you. I'd go and
Oh, right.
misbehave just so you'd know
Very
it's
good.
true. Sneaking looks up and down.
Right, well, I think we're going to walk back to the car park now and hopefully Marilla will be there and we can meet up with her. It's a little while since we've seen her, so it'd be nice to catch up with her again. Well, we met up with Marilla and we're going to have a walk up to the tower. It is warming up quite a bit.
Across the room, and damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great. I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall. Praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap. I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks. Listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast. Don't remember life before you, that's fact. I feel good.
Well, I'm going to have a walk through the woods, see if we can find a coffee place. Can hear a band down in Buxton below.
Fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I.
There's nothing quite like a walk in the woods, is there? What was that?
Yeah.
Let's have a look in the Cavendish shopping arcade. This is very fancy.
No.
So there we go, we had a lovely day in Buxton. Weather's been fantastic, it's been bright sunshine most of the afternoon, and yeah, we've got the old wind out sun canopy out and just having a bit of a chill out outside. Marilla's gone home, she's just left back for her base in Sheffield, and yeah, what a lovely evening it is. This may well be our last night spent in the old van, which is a bit sad really, a bit sort of emotional about that, but we are looking forward to getting the new one, and yeah, you should be seeing that very soon. So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed following us on our trip around Northumberland and then back here to Buxton. I think we're going to sign off now. All we're going to do tomorrow is get up and drive home. So from a lovely sunny Buxton, it's goodbye, and we'll see you soon on the next video.